So how's it going, guys? I'm back. Yeah. Yeah. So how's it going, guys? Today I'm back with another how-to video, and today I'm gonna show you how to compress video files, and it is very important for you currently on YouTube community. And yeah, you have to do it because if you have a very slow internet and if your files is like 2 or 3 gigabytes, and if your internet is slower than that, it may take years to do that. So after you edit your video, export it, compress it properly in YouTube, because it will help you to compress and make your video quality faster, and also when you're editing it will make the editing process faster. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the software, the app or software, whatever you call it, you have to download it from the internet. Yeah, so the app you are going to be downloading is Handbrake Shortcut. Sorry, only Handbrake. You can just search it in Google and it will come up in like 2 seconds, or I will leave link in the description down below. Yeah, the first thing you have to do is open these. Okay, not this. So don't show my location. Take some time for my computer. Maybe faster for your computer. When you open Handbrake, it will look like this, and I'm gonna drop one of my videos, and yeah, so I've got some files that I've compressed, drag and drop it. So if you just drag like 10, it will not go to the queue, so you have to just drag and drop a folder. Yeah, so wait till the scanning is completed. But if you have many videos, like tens and thousands, not thousands of videos, if you have videos like that, you can just drag a folder and just see all the videos and go to queue. First of all, always add to queue, add all, and it will just freeze and do this alt tab, or maybe not. Now yes, GTA San Andreas, I played. If you want to see it, thumbs up. And yeah, there is a very cool feature. If you want to leave your recordings all night, like if you do it in the morning, you will lose a lot of time. And yeah, so if you go to when done shut down, you can do it in the night time too. Okay, and yeah, do nothing for me. Okay, that's a very cool feature of this software. And you can make your own presets. Like I got myself white to 1080. Yeah, I export my video in 1080. And now the constant quality must be to 23 to 22, or yeah, not more than that. It will start to lose quality after that. And after that, again, if you try to compress the same video with 23, 22, if you compress the compressed video, it will lose its quality too. So yeah, it's a win-win. So I just sometimes put to 23 and sometimes 25. Okay, and there's maybe 24, but still. Now I'll just best is 23 for me, because Minecraft pixelated doesn't give any difference. That's the thing you have to be full of. Okay, go to preferences. Okay, there are some general, and yeah, you can use dark screen. I have to restart this file, and yeah, put your output files wherever you like. Yes, it will default when you next time put the video, import a video in Handbrake. It will automatically set your video path to Z compressed, and when done, do nothing. It will set always defaultly, and yeah, that's it. Don't mess with this, but you can mess with, and yeah, yes, encoders And this is it, I guess. Dimension summary. You can preview it. Okay. Video, audio, style, chapters, or whatever. Arc Q. Oh, so this is the compressed. This is not the compressed. By the way, I'm not playing the same clip. And if you're watching at 360p, 480p, no, if you're watching at 244p or 144p, you may be missing out this thing. So wait, yeah. So look, compare it by yourself and see is there any difference. There may be ups and downs, but not like this. See, saying it's going to fry up my brain like that. So I hope you guys like, share, subscribe this video right now. Not this video. Like this video, share it with your friends or your YouTube buddies, and subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. So this is Vito, guys. Peace out.